If you're a homeowner and you don't fully understand all the tax advantages that you can use, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, how's it going? Alex here again. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to give you the 8 tax advantages that you can use as a homeowner. Now before I begin this video, I want to say I am not a tax consultant by any means, so definitely check with your tax advisor before you use any of these deductions on your tax returns. The first deduction that you can use as a homeowner is the mortgage interest on your loan. Now your loan amount cannot exceed $750,000, but if it is that amount or lower, you can deduct all the interest for that year. Now come tax season, your lender will send you an IRS form 1098, and that will simply state the amount of interest you paid for the year, and then you can just deduct that. All right, number 2, you can deduct property taxes. Now the law has changed on this a little bit. In the past, you could deduct the entirety of your property tax. Now it's set at $10,000. New rule is set until 2026, but after that fact, it could change back to where you could deduct the entirety of your property taxes, but for now, it's set at $10,000. Number 3 is tax deductions on points over the life of the loan. So when you got your mortgage through your lender, if you paid a point to that lender, or when you refinance, you paid a point, you can deduct a certain amount of that over the entirety of the loan. This one can get kind of complex, so definitely research it yourself and consult with your tax advisor on this one. Number 4, the PMI insurance on your loan can be deducted in most cases. For those of you who don't know, PMI insurance is when you put less than 20% equity down in a home as a buyer. PMI insurance protects the lender from losses in case you were to default on your loan. This is one that has seen recent changes lately, so definitely consult with your tax advisor before taking this deduction. Number 5, and probably my favorite deduction, is the tax benefits when you sell your property. If you lived in your primary residence for 2 out of the last 5 years, you can exclude $250,000 if you're single from capital gains and $500,000 if you're married. In my opinion, this is one of the better incentives out there for owning real estate because you can exclude all that capital gain and equity that you built throughout the years. All right, so now some deductions that maybe you didn't even know that you could take. Number 6, energy efficient upgrades to your home. You can deduct a certain percentage of the total bill. Now keep in mind, this is changing from year to year, the amount that you can deduct. So definitely look into your current law and consult with your tax advisor on this one. Number 7, when you age in place in your home, so you lived in your home for a very, very long time, and you start putting improvements into your home to help you live, these are all tax deductible. For example, you put in a wheelchair ramp or something to make it easier for it to shower, or handles that you can grip so you don't fall down. These are all tax deductible items. All right, now the very last one, number 8, you can deduct your workspace at home. Currently, you can deduct up to $5 per square foot for up to 300 square feet of office space, and the maximum deduction you can take on this is $1,500. All right, guys, there you have it. There's some of the tax deductions that are possible for you out there as homeowners, and it can save you thousands of dollars come tax time. Like I said, I am not a tax consultant, so check with your local laws and your tax advisor before taking these deductions on your tax return. As always, thanks for tuning in again, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. We'll see you.